This is the emergency alert system. ED authorities in your area have issued an emergency action notification 1 mile distance from intersection I-70 and Route 82. You have 3 minutes preparation. Locate nearest relatives, grasp hands and sit where you are. Close your eyes and do not speak. Do not speak. Do not open your eyes. Ignore all sounds and do not react to touch. Failure to follow these cautionary measures will result in detection. Warning will be lifted after 4 short beeps followed by 1 extended. This is not a drill.